welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I want to talk about your health, your immunity during this time of COVID-19. Now today I'll be talking about some products that I've been using in order to kind of boost my immunity. You guys know my diet is not the best. I eat junk sometimes. I also do not eat a very healthy food. So I know that there are certain elements that are missing when it comes to the nutrient element inside my body. So I need certain supplements. Now before I proceed with this video, I will just quickly tell you I'm not a medical practitioner, no expert by any means. I'm one consumer who's been consuming this product, and everything that I'm saying in this video of mine will be coming out of my own experience. So if you are undergoing any kind of ailment, any prolonged illness, or if you're pregnant, make sure that you consult your doctor, your physician, your specialist, your gynecologist before actually consuming these products. Now all of these products that I'm going to show you, there are 4 products, are from this really good brand which is called as Healthvit. Healthvit is actually under this really amazing brand which is called as West Coast. West Coast is a WHO certified brand, which is World Health Organization, and all the products that I have here with me right now are FSSAI certified. They are ISO certified. They have undergone all the scrutiny and all the measures and checks before they reach us. So they are very safe to consume. So these are very safe to consume. You do not require a prescription to get these. These are available over the counter. So let's quickly get started. I have 4 products over here. First product is this one. This is Healthvit Zinc Sulfate. This is 50 gram of their product, priced at rupees 600. They have 60 tablets over here. This one is great to support your immune system. Apart from that, this one also supplements for any kind of zinc deficiency if you have in your body. Zinc is an extremely important micronutrient that you require in order to lead a very healthy life, and this one supplements that, so it facilitates the digestion, because of which all the nutrients get properly assimilated in your body, thereby giving you good immunity. So this product I think is very important, extremely mandatory. By the grace of God and touch wood, I've not fallen sick, and maybe the product has to do something with it. I'm not really sure, but because I have used all of these from over 2 months now, and I have seen that health effect in my body, I feel like I'm not मतलब ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए, but I've not had even a touch of zukam or cold, you know, during these 2 months. So there are like pills in here. You can listen to the pills. I'll give you a screenshot over here so that you can see what the pills look like. Of course, because these are pills, they will not taste really nice. Just pop up in your mouth, chug a lot of water, and that's about it. The dosage of this particular tablet is 1 per day after your meal. It lowers the respiratory infections, and COVID is actually mainly a respiratory disease, so very important during this time. So the next product in this COVID-19 kit is this one. This is Healthvit C Vitan Z. This is vitamin C and zinc, so it is a combination of vitamin C and zinc. Vitamin C, as you guys know, is a very important component when it comes to fighting the infections, especially such as cold and flu. Vitamin C is extremely important for your gums, your teeth. It is extremely important to build your immunity. I think vitamin C is the most important, not really, is one of the most important nutrients that you can give to your body. So this jar that contains 60 pills actually helps you to supplement the deficiency of vitamin C and zinc in your body. It is extremely important and beneficial to maintain the immunity. Apart from that, it gives you that antioxidant support, and this one also makes your skin look really nice. It just kind of gives that healthy glow on your skin. This is priced at rupees 250. There are 60 tablets in here, and you have to take it twice. So you have to take it 1 pill twice daily. Maybe you can take it in the morning after breakfast and 1 in the night after dinner. So yeah, that is that. I will leave the dosage in the description box below for you. The next one is this one. Now this one itself is called as Immune Need. So basically this is what you need in order to have that immunity, so that you do not catch infections, or your body is strong enough to fight the infections. This one is actually immunity booster, something that boosts your immunity. It has antioxidants as well. This particular jar, having 60 tablets in here, actually has not just vitamin C in it, but also vitamin E. So of course it helps to give you a really nice healthy looking skin. Apart from that, vitamin C helps to make you look very radiant. That is the skin part that I'm talking of, but it actually benefits the overall immunology of your body. There are other nutrients in this one as well, such as beta carotene, that actually helps to protect your DNA and all the cells from within. So it's extremely good. This is priced at rupees 800 for 60 tablets, and the dosage is I take 1 tablet after the meal. And the last but definitely not the least, the final product of this COVID-19 kit is this. This is called as Tulsi Drops Plus. This is immunity booster as well, and this is liquid extract of 5 types of tulsi. Now, who doesn't know the benefits of tulsi? I think COVID-19 or not, whatever the situation, you should always consume tulsi in some form or the other. Today I have this very potent liquid of tulsi. If you do not have a tulsi plant, which I'm assuming we all have tulsi plants at home, this is one product you must have. The packaging is very cute, first of all. Now these are liquid drops. It smells so strong of tulsi. This is a mixture of 5 types of tulsi, like very potent juices from 5 different types of tulsi. How you can actually use it? You can use it 3-4 times a day. So you can add 3 to 4 drops of it in lukewarm water and consume it, like 3 से 4 बार you can consume it. This is going to help you so much that I can't even tell you. If you want, you can just add 1 to 2 drops in your 1 cup chai also. I don't know, I just like to have tulsi in my chai sometimes when I'm suffering with a lot of cold. Like that is the best cold remedy of my mother, and it has worked so well since the time I'm born. So this one is an amazing product, and I think the most beneficial product that you can have. You can also add 3 to 4 drops in your juice. You can have it with water, you can have it with your tea, however you want to have it, but this is a mandatory product. And this is very affordable as well. This is priced at rupees 200 for 30 ml, and you just require 3 to 4 drops, and that's about it. And that's going to give you that boost of immunity that you require to not only fight a lot of infections, but this really deadly COVID-19 infection as well. So guys, those were all the 4 products of the COVID-19 kit from Healthvit. I think it is a very important kit. This is a kit that you can also give to somebody if you care for them. I care for you, and therefore I made this video for you. All of these products are available on a lot of websites. Healthvit has their own website, but it is also available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere it is available. You can buy, I do not have a coupon code for you, but you can buy it actually from wherever you get the best deal. I'm going to leave the links of all the websites in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you find this video useful, and keep yourself safe, wear mask, use hand sanitizer, take all the necessary precautions. And of course, as I always say, that these are supplements. Nothing can substitute the nutrients that you get from your diet, the food that you actually consume every single day. So make sure that you eat a healthy, balanced meal every single day, apart from certain supplements that you can get from this particular COVID-19 kit, in order to have a really nice, good immune system to fight any kind of infection. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye guys.